If you are sitting at your home and thinking that someone will come to you and they will help you to speak in this language, it's never gonna happen. Because I have seen that every successful people, they become successful just because of they put efforts. In this realistic worlds, no one's there for you to help you to be successful person in your life. I used to think like this way. I was also waiting for someone that who will come to me and they will help me to understand this language, to speak in this language. But it never happened in my life. Then I decided, accepted waiting for other to help me to learn this language. Why not to put effort from myself? And just because of I put efforts in my bag to learn this language and I am able to speak English like this way in front of you. Hey everyone, this is फुल बाबू and you are watching the PK Motivation. अगर आप भी अपने जीवन में ये सोच रहे हैं कि कोई ऐसा मोमेंट आएगी, कोई ऐसे लोग आएंगे आपके जीवन में जो आपको हेल्प करेगी आपको सक्सेसफुल होने में, तो वो कभी नहीं होगा. अगर आप सोचते हैं कि आपके भाई, आपके पापा, आपके मम्मी, आपके भाभी, कोई भी आपको हेल्प करेगी आपके जर्नी में, तो ऐसा नहीं होगा. हम बार बार ऐसा इसीलिए सोचते हैं क्योंकि हमारे माइंड्स का जो बिहेवियर होता है वो हमेशा इजी थिंग्स को करने का चाहता है और ये हमेशा आपको कोई ना कोई बहाना देगी ताकि आप उस काम को न कर सके, ताकि इस माइंड को वो काम भारी लगती है. एंड दैट्स व्हाई इट्स ऑलवेज इंडिकेट दैट इट्स हार्ड फॉर यू. You're not gonna do it alone. You just need somebody else and you just procrastinate that words. So how you will cope up with this behavior of your mind? If you want to do this work right now and your mind is saying to you, let's quick to do this work, don't listen your mind. Just tell your mind that let's do it for just 2 minutes and start doing that work, and how those 2 minutes will pass, you never know. Because if you will start anything once, it will start doing that work automatically. You just only need to bring your mind in flow. If you are learning this language and you are saying that no one's there for practice and your mind was saying that let's quit because it's not gonna happen with you at alone, yeah, it is right. But instead of thinking about those mistakes and those problems, you can also think of it, let's remove my phone from my pocket and let's start recording to myself. And this is how you gonna practice your English. Just give your challenge to yourself that I will record myself each and every single day to learn this language, because this is the easiest and simple way to learn any language in the world. And one of the language that is English that you are trying to learn. It's not a rocket science, it's just a language. You just only need to be dedicated on this language. You just only need to give some times to this language to learn. For learning it, you just need to practice more and more. देखो यार, बहाना बनाने बंद करो, क्योंकि हमने भी 2 साल से बहुत सारे बहाने बनाए थे और 2 साल में हमने अपने आप में कोई भी प्रोग्रेस नहीं देखा, और जिसके कारण मैं आज इंग्लिश नहीं बोल पा रहा था. बट पिछले 6 महीनों में मैंने ये अपने माइंड को ये बता दिया कि अब बहाना नहीं. I just only need to put efforts to learn this language, and that's what I did in my past to learn this language, and that's why I am able to speak in English like this way right now. And if you are someone who is also thinking of it that someone will come to you and they will help you to learn this language, no one will ever comes in your life to help you to learn this language. Whatever you have to do it, you only have to do it by yourself. And that is exactly the true methods to help you to boost your communication skill in English. जब कभी मैं इंग्लिश प्रैक्टिस करने का सोचता था तो मेरे माइंड में बहुत सारे बहाने आते थे कि लोग क्या कहेंगे, तुम्हें तो इंग्लिश आती भी नहीं है, ये बहुत हार्ड है, इसे ट्राई मत करो, बहुत सारे वर्ड्स है, तुम किसके साथ प्रैक्टिस करोगे, तुम कहाँ बोलोगे. But one thing I did in my past that I be consistent in this process, and now every ways are open for me. I know where I have to practice. I know where I'm getting benefit of this language, and I know exactly the value of this language. Because when I got to know how to speak in this language, I got a lot of opportunity in my life. And just because of learning this language, I have created my this YouTube channel where I am making English related content, and I am trying to upload each and every single day a video on this channel. And that is exactly I am trying to do in my life. Because if you want to do something, there would no one who will stop you. And if you want to procrastinate this one, then there is a lot of problems that your mind will point out that just because of this you are not doing it. So the one things that you have to do, you don't have to listen your mind, you have to listen your heart, that you really want to speak in this language, that you really want to speak in this language, you really want to represent yourself in front of hundred of people, thousands of people. You really want to speak like a native speaker, but you are not doing it just because of your procrastination, just because of your mind. Because this is the things that you will have to overcome on it. Every successful person, they say, if you know how to control this, you control over your world. You do what you want to do, you get what you want to get, just because of you have control over your mind. So the only game of it, that you have to control of it. There is always two choices, that you stay on your bed or just get up and keep doing hard work for getting your dreams in your reality. And there is only you who will decide it. If you will wake up and start putting efforts to get that dreams in reality, you will get that. And if you think that it's too hard for you and you never gonna do that, you never will do it. You never will achieve that things in your life. Thank you very much for watch this video till now, and I hope that you will get something from this video. If you get something from this video, I hope you will subscribe to the channel and like this video, so that whenever I will upload any content on YouTube, you will get notification about that. So for further video, you just need to subscribe it now. So let's do it now. I hope you will get something from here. Till then, bye. See you in the next.